Alright, so here with another scam baiting video. Haven't been making a few videos in a while from the lack of pop-ups, and I've really called up all the scamming numbers that I could find. Here's another one. It's similar to the mycheapcomputersupport.com scam or whatever. cheapcomputersupport.com, the pop-up that I talked about last week on my video. This is the Google limited search of one other type of pop-up saying that our system lacks protection. Call up a 1-800 number immediately for 24/7 technical support. It's a Google image, so I don't actually have the real site working still. It was 2 days I think old, or is it 23 hours old? How old is this image? 13 hours old, this image. So I'm going to just view full-size image and phone the number up here and see what we get over Skype, and let them log into a VMware computer and see what happens with these guys.
Thank you for calling technical support. If you are calling about a slow computer or laptop, or think you might have a virus, please press 1. If you are calling about
Support, my name is Simon. How may I help you?
Hi, I didn't quite get your name. I'm calling about a pop-up on my computer. Hi.
How old is your computer?
I didn't quite get your name though. What was your name?
My name is Simon.
Simon. Okay. Hi, Simon. I got a pop-up yesterday on my computer that said I had to call you up or something.
How old is your computer?
It's a couple years old.
A couple of years. So was that a Windows or a Mac?
It's a Windows computer. It told me to call you up on the pop-up, but I had it.
Well, the pop-up that you got in your screen in your computer is because of the infections that running in your computer. It automatically generated in your system, and your call can be landed to any place of the technicians, premium technicians, right? But as of now, your call has been landed to my extension 4617. My name is Simon, and I do want to advise you this call is being recorded for quality and training purpose. Okay?
All right.
So what I would do is I would go ahead and take you through remotely and check that out. If I can help you with get it issued before it's too late, all right?
Sure. All right. Well, I'm on my desktop there, Sam. Is it Simon again? Is that your name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Well, I'm on my desktop. All right.
So your computer is right in front of you, correct?
Yep.
I want you to look at a keyboard, left-hand side of the extreme bottom line. You will see a Windows key right in the middle of CTRL and ALT. You will see a flag sign key, Windows key, menu, right?
Yeah, I do see that.
I want you to press that Windows key along with the letter R, R is in Romeo at the same time.
You want me to press the R key? Okay.
The Windows key along with the letter R.
It says type a name or a program and Windows will open it for you.
Yes. I want you to type in there www dot.
Yep, www. Yep. Now what? I got W.
3W. 3W. www dot.
All right. Now what?
And type in there fast support. This is going to be one word. Let me spell it out for you. F is in Frank.
All right.
A is in Apple.
All right. A is an apple.
S is in Sam.
Yep.
T is in Tom.
Yep.
S is in Sam.
Yep.
U is in Utah.
Yep.
P is in Peter.
Yep.
P is in Peter.
Yep.
O is in Oscar.
Yep.
R is in Romeo.
Yep.
T is in Tom.
Yep.
.com. Charlie Oscar Mary.
.com. Okay, it's got Microsoft Edges open
Now
up.
let me
Fastsupport.com.
read it back to you. Let me read back to you. www.fastsupport.com. Correct?
That is correct. It says establish support connection.
Beneath there, you will see a place where you can type in your name. Type in your name. Once you're ready for the support key, let me know. I'm gonna get you.
Okay, now what's the support key? I typed in my name, sir.
257.
257, did you say?
Yeah.
All right.
462
462
688.
688.
And hit continue.
And now, and you want me to hit continue on my keyboard or on the button? Okay, continue. It's got go to assist launcher. Download will start automatically in a few seconds. If not, please click restart downloading. And now it's popped up with a download saying run.
Click run.
All right. Well, that's now downloading go to assist. It says. So, are you a Microsoft technician? Are you what are you guys?
We are a premium technical support. We are Microsoft certified technicians. Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah. All right.
Now you can see my name appear in your screen, right?
Yeah, I see that.
How do you pronounce the name? You pronounce the name Haig or?
Yeah, Haig. All right. So.
All right. Okay, got it. Now you can see my cursor moving in your screen, right?
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
So what says you are using a Windows 8 or you upgraded as a Windows 10?
Yeah, I've upgraded to Windows 10.
I got it. All right. So you did say that your computer is getting a pop-up.
Yeah, that
That's
was a
telling
few
you that
days
you
ago.
you
I was
may have
just
some kind
browsing the web and I got it.
All right. And you did say that this is like probably approximately like 2 years old computer.
Yeah.
I would ask you, sir, did you ever renew the warranty of your computer?
Warranty? No, I don't know if I renewed
Yes.
the warranty. My computer was
Because
bought. What kind of warranty are we talking about here?
the hardware warranty would be 1 year, and the software would run in your computer for 90 days. Did you ever renew the warranty?
Well, I don't know what warranty we're talking about. I got this as a Windows computer.
Yes, it's a Windows computer, but what I'm asking to you is, whenever you purchase this computer, the hardware warranty would last for 90 days, 1 year, and the software running in your computer would last for only 90 days. So you never renew the warranty because I can see your computer warranty has been expired.
I guess all right.
The first things I identify is, the warranty has been expired. And also, you did say that you have a pop-up that telling you that your computer is infected by the harmful virus, debug malware, right?
That was a couple of days ago, yes.
Hello?
Yeah, a couple of days ago I had that.
Let me check that out, your firewall status in your Action Center, all right? So far, you haven't had any kind of that much problems in your computer, right?
All right.
And I would recommend that the problem that you have is because of a network infection, that you don't have a network security running in your computer. All right. The problem that you have is your network security. You don't have a network security. That is the problem. That is why a network infection is infected in your computer. All right.
Oh,
So let me
alright.
go ahead and check that out. The software running in your computer that would give us a result of your software, whether they are running fine or not. All right.
Oh, alright.
Now I click on the service. These are the software running in your computer, the service that provider. These are the manufacturer companies. Since you are using a Microsoft Windows, most of them would be a Microsoft corporations. And looking at the status, you see a number of your software has been stopped. They have been crashed. They are temporarily disabled, not functioning. We have to rerun all this stuff software by implementing some kind of Microsoft tools need to be implemented in your computer.
So, how
And the
did those
best
get
part is, like
stopped?
I said, go ahead.
How did these become stopped?
Maybe you don't maintain the service that you have, which lasts for 90 days. You never renew the warranty or you never upgrade it. That is the reason, maybe. And maybe also because of the network infections. How many devices do you have apart from this computer?
A lot.
Do you have smartphone, printer,
Yep.
iPad,
Yep.
tablet?
Yeah, I do.
Sometimes you connected your computer with all those devices, like sending files, transferring files. You do that, right?
Yeah.
So the same infections can be infected to other devices as well because of all this stuff software. Your net logon, your network connectivity assistant, all this is because of the network infections. And you can scroll up and down and check that out. I would say more than 60% of your software has been stopped. This is the reason. That is why we need to rerun all the stuff software, right?
So those services been stopped. Okay. Are they not supposed? They're supposed to be on. You're telling me
Sorry?
those services are supposed to be on. You're telling me.
We need to rerun all those stuff software,
Okay.
all
Okay.
right? Which means your computer is infected by the network infections, which is called a koodface. I'm gonna show you that as well. All right. So first, let me go ahead and check that out. How many harmful viruses running in your computer? Okay.
Oh, alright.
This will give us a result of how many infections that you have in your computer. And the performance of your computer is not up to the mark. So did you never renew you never optimize your computer, right?
No. 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 No.
Whenever you optimize your computer will give us performance, and the speed of your computer will give a normal computing. Like the speed and the performance would be same as like a brand new computer. But as of now, it's very slow. It takes a lot of time to open up any one of the files that if you would like to.
Alright.
When I was checking the internal part and the external part of your hard disk, you got to see 493 errors and warnings coming in your computer. You can see the date and time they come into your computer. All right. And even the source, from which source they coming from, and the even ID and the task as well. Since they are harmful virus infected in your computer, when we choose any one of them and try to delete in the normal computing, there would be no option to delete. As a matter of the fact, they are the harmful virus which infected in your computer.
Those
So we need
errors
to,
or viruses, you're saying?
yes, sir. We need to use some kind of Microsoft recommended tools to be implemented in your computer in order to get rid of all these things.
Hmm.
Which means you say what kind of antivirus you are running at the moment.
I don't have an antivirus on here.
That is the main reason. We need to put a compatible antivirus protections. All right, and also we need to put, since your computer is infected by the a network infection, which is a koodface, we need to install anti-hacking tools in order to save and secure your computer. These are the main issue. Let me go ahead and show you what exactly I'm talking about. Those those network infections, infected in your computer through Google. All right.
Alright.
Hmm. You are the only person who use this computer, or apart from you, is there anyone who use this computer as well among your family?
I'm the only one that uses this computer.
Hmm.
Okay.
This is the infections running in your computer. Koodface is a network worm that attacks Microsoft Windows. You are using a Microsoft Windows 8. You convert it, you upgrade it into 10, right?
Yeah.
And even a Mac operating system and Linux platform. This worm originally target users of the networking website like Facebook, Skype, Yahoo Messenger, and email, which is such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, AOL Mail. It also targets other networking websites such as MySpace, Twitter, and it can infect other devices in the same local network. These infections allow attackers to access user personal information, such as banking information, passport, or your personal identity, which is your IP address. It is considered a security risk and should be removed from the network. So this is the infection, the network infection running in your computer. That is why it infected your computer, and that makes a lot of it create a lot of problems in your computer. All right. So that is why the computer get it infected. Okay.
So this is on
All
my
right.
computer?
Yeah. That is the infection running in your computer.
Alright.
So you have some kind of doubt that you are talking to the right persons or not, legitimate company or not. I want to show you my company as well before we proceed further. All right. This is the company you are talking to, OWMM Oxygen for Windows and Mac machine.
The number that I called doesn't match that number up top though. Is
Yes,
that?
that is a random number for the technical helpline. Your call can be landed to any place, but
Ah.
as of now, it is landed to me, and I want to make it sure that you know whom you're talking to, so that you are aware. You are using a Microsoft Windows 8.1 that you upgraded in a Microsoft Windows 10. This is the person whom you're talking to. OWMM Tech Support for US, Sacramento, California. This is the logo you can see, all right?
Yeah.
So you don't have to have any doubt, all right? So what we're gonna do is, sir, even if I happen to ask you to call or take any one of the local technicians in order to get it diagnosed, they will simply go ahead and do a temporarily fix. They won't install any kind of software. They're gonna use the free versions or maybe third-party versions, which will damage your computer, which will infect and enhance. It will also affect your computer life as well.
Alright.
So instead of that, since you are a premium customer, you are our premium customer, I would like to assign you one of the online professional technicians who's going to be working with me for another 45 to 60 minutes in your computer in order to get it diagnosed. All right?
Alright.
So we will require 45 to 60 minutes to get it diagnosed your computer. All right? And the best part is, there will be no data loss. Your data, your personal information, your banking information, everything's going to be saved. All right?
Oh, alright.
And the best part is we're going to provide you the toll-free numbers where you can reach us 24/7 will be available for you 365 days in the years, no matter what time, no matter what days would be, okay? And let me write it down. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and first of all renew the warranty of your computer, all right? And after all that, we will go ahead and install, oh my goodness, install antivirus protections. And after all that, we will install a lifetime network security, all right?
Okay.
Lifetime network security. Let me go ahead and explain it to you. Antivirus will protect your computer from any kind of spyware, adware, or Trojan horses, virus, junks, and malicious files, any kind of infection. But this network security will secure your personal data, information, your email, your password, all right? And also enhance, it will give a good life of your computer as well, okay? And also we need to install anti-hacking tools in your computer, so that you will get rid of those people who are, as of now, the koodface that you facing some problems in your computer would be get rid from your computer. Okay.
Oh, okay.
And after all, that will remove all the infections that you see more than 400, right?
Yeah.
Infections. Let me write infections. And we'll cleans up all the drivers. And after all this, we will also boost up your system, and we will tune up. And lastly, we're gonna go ahead and optimize your PC. Once we optimize your PC, the speed will be 3 to 4 times faster than the current speed. All right. And I would say your computer will be 100%. I can guarantee your computer will be 100% safe and secure. These are the things we're gonna go ahead and do it in your computer for another 45 to 60 minutes. All right. These are the software which we're gonna implement is only a Microsoft recommended tools, which will be not even like a third party or not a free version. We'll go ahead and install in your computer a genuine Microsoft certified tools need to be implemented in your computer. All right.
All right.
So in order to go ahead and assign with like a professional, there would be a one-time registration required from your end. All right. To be free and frankly speaking with you, one-time registration required for you. All right.
Okay.
This one-time registration is for a lifetime. Once you register yourself, you will be entitled and authorized to use any one of the licensed Microsoft tools. You will be licensed. You will be entitled. You will be authorized to use any one of the software which need to be implemented in your computer. Okay.
All right.
So they have a different options. The first plan's option available for you is a 6-month warranty with unlimited support.
Yeah.
And the second plan available for you is a 1-year warranty with unlimited support. All right. All these things will include all the above I have mentioned. Everything, right? It will be included. Okay.
All right.
And also there are another one last more plans available for you. That's gonna be a 2 years. There will be a 2 years plan for you with unlimited support. This will also include all the tools, all the above, right? Which I have mentioned. So the one-time registration for the lifetimes of the 6-month warranty with unlimited support, this is gonna be just $199.99, and the 1 year.
Okay.
1 year is gonna be just $299.99. And also the 2 years going to be $399.99. So these are the available registration for you in order to go ahead and implement the tools that require in your computer, right? So which one of the plans you would like to go ahead and choose for in order to get it fix your computer?
2 years, please.
Sorry?
I'll go for a 2-year support.
You want to go for the 2-year support. All right. Here, let me go ahead and make it sure. This will include lifetime network security will be running in your computer, right? All right. And this will enhance a good life of your computer, and plus, we will also ensure we'll try to install 24 golden tune-up for you. And also we'll install a PC optimizer, okay?
All right.
That will be running in your computer. And the best part is, sir, all the software which we're going to use in your computer, all of the software is transferable, which means if you may happen to have other computer or other device like smartphone, iPad need to be fixed in future, all you need to do is you don't have to invest a single penny, all right? Simply give us a call in the toll-free number. Then we will simply go ahead and fix all the other device completely free, and all the software would be transferable and we can transfer, okay?
All right.
All right. So in order to go ahead and get to help you register yourself, we don't need your banking information, your personal information. We just need your phone number, your name, and your email when we can send you a confirmation, and your zip code. So please go ahead and provide me the following information that will help me out, okay? Your full name, all right?
Yeah.
You're very smart enough. You're very fast in typing, sir.
Thank you. Alright.
I can't imagine you type so fast.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much for the information. Allow me one moment. Let me go ahead and try to generate a registration form wherein you don't have need to share your credit card information, your bank information. You will get it done. You're registered by yourself. All right.
Oh, alright.
Just allow me 1 second. So let me go ahead and help you out with that. The best numbers to reach you is 250-616-2773, right?
Yeah.
And okay, the calling number is different, right?
Yeah.
The number that you call me, all right? Just allow me one moment. And just to confirm, like just for the confirmation, sir, which card you gonna use? Was it a Visa or Master or maybe Discover?
A visa.
A Visa, all right. Allow me one moment. All right. So let me go ahead and open up like a registration form for you, and you will get it yourself registered. Once your registration is done, let me know. All right?
Alright.
Mm-hmm. All right. So as we are assigned by Northern, all right,
Alright.
we are assigned by Northern, and everything what you're gonna do here is everything is gonna be safe and secure. I would ask you to go ahead and do it by yourself.
Okay. So the event viewer errors, are they standard Windows errors, or are they just what are they? The stop services that were set to manual should be stopped. I take a look at my pictures, and I have a nice little image for you to look at. Just gonna let that load up. So are you aware of what you're doing to people? Hello?
So this is the picture. When did you got this picture?
You tried to tell me that the errors in the event viewer were the viruses. These applications that are log files from the computer, the traditionally used for system administrators to diagnose certain errors. However, most events are harmless. You lied. You told me they're viruses. You went into msconfig. You also lied about stop services, which were actually set to manual, which are normal on a computer. And you can even
Sir,
see
if
that
you
your
think
group
this is,
now.
if you think you are talking to a wrong persons, and if you think you are talking to the people whom you suspected, the choice is yours.
You're
There is no
scamming me.
obligations.
You're
Okay.
trying to use a social engineering scam to scare me that my computer has the koodface worm, which is not on this computer. This was a fresh install of Windows 10 before you got onto the computer. So you lied about the koodface worm earlier, which was not on my computer.
So what you mean?
You told me I had koodface, remember? Well, I don't have
Yes,
koodface on this computer. This computer had Windows
you
10
have it,
installed
sir.
freshly on it. Where do you see koodface? Show me. You pulled up Wikipedia. Show me where koodface is.
Sir, that is the infections that you have in your computer, right?
I don't know where's koodface running. I don't see koodface.
So if you think if your computer is good enough, then that doesn't matter. It doesn't matter to me, all right? But I'm just trying to help you get it diagnosed, the issue that you have.
Well, this is being a scam. To me, you're lied about the koodface on my computer.
Oh, if you think this is scam, well, why have been you have been wasting your time?
I find
That
it
doesn't
humorous
matter.
because your pop-ups were all makeshift trying to get me to call you up. You know, I'm recording this video. I'm going to upload it to my YouTube. I have several other videos of companies that use the same scare tactics. Yeah.
Doesn't matter. You can do whatever you want to do. I don't have any problem. That is why I'm fully confident that I can even show you whatever I may have.
Well, I don't have koodface, I can tell you that.
That is the infection that's running in your computer.
It
Okay.
ain't on here. My YouTube account right here. Well, what I do is I upload videos of scam people that make to use these type of scams where you have a pop-up and you call a number up and they lie about threats on your computer. So I will be uploading my video along with all the other videos that I have to my YouTube account because there is a lot of them. And this one really reminds me of your type of pop-up. It's so close with the layout and everything.
That is
Alright,
that is
alright.
that is good for you. That is good for the people as well. People will be avoiding from the
And
scam.
it popped up. Well, there's a lot of pop-ups, and this is the one I meant to show you actually.
Alright, we got it right.
It looks similar to your guys' pop-ups, just one slightly different. And basically he lies about my computer.
Vault location, still password and banking information and data. This process is
And you can see
security risk and should
I
be
got a lot of
monitored
nice
closely.
comments. So I'm letting people aware of these type of scams.
So you can see, and there are lots of them, right? Can you see that?
Sir,
Yeah.
we are not asking. We are not asking. We are not
Yeah.
doing any
All
kind
of
of
the
scam out
viruses
here. All right.
there on a
If
computer.
you don't trust us, if you don't believe us, so the choice is yours. I'm not asking you to work with me, all right?
You said I had
Choice is
koodface
yours.
on my computer. Didn't you?
But that is running in your computer, that is why.
There's no koodface here. This is a fresh install of Windows 10. There ain't a koodface virus on my computer.
Thank you so much for calling Premium Technical Support. You have a great day, all right?
Alright. See what he does here now that I've ended the call. He might get angry and start trashing the computer. We'll give him a few minutes. Normally when they get angry, I'm not sure if he's gonna do it or not. Stop the video.